Hello guys, welcome to my garage. For those of you who follow my channel know that I seldomly speak on camera. I always go directly to the little tutorials that I do for my 181. You have her back there, you can see her trophies back there. I have decided to install a stereo on the car, and I want to do it on a way in which I will respect the integrity of the car the most. So I plan to use the hollows that already exist on the car to install the speakers, and I've decided to get a mount for the stereo, and we're gonna go about how do we do these. And since it's a little bit more involved than some of the small videos that I usually show you here on the channel, I've decided to do it in episodes so that it is not an exceedingly long video. So, you know, it will be a step-by-step instructions on how did I do it. On the first episode, I'm going to show you how to make the templates. We're going to talk a little bit about the equipment that we selected, and then we're going to go about the installation itself. I'm going to show you everything about wiring and everything. Disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by any of the vendors. I am not related to any of the brands. I will give you the review as raw, as unvarnished as I can. And I hope that you enjoy the series. Please like the video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. You know, I don't make any money on these, but it is fun doing it, and the more audience, the more people we can help with it. Anyway, on this first video, we're going to go about how to make the templates. There is 4 hollows on the car that are already naturally existing. 2 are on the front of the car, 2 are in the back of the car. They are like by the footwells, and they're in the back there in the cargo area. And the first thing that we need to do is to make the templates so that we can actually cut the speaker support plates so that we can install them without having to make any more holes in the car than, you know, just for a few screws and stuff. So the first part in this episode, I'm going to show you how to make these templates. This is the template for the front, right? I'm going to talk to you. You're going to see in the video the measurements of how this works. This is a 90-degree angle, which should be your base angle. Everything else falls just according to the measurements. This is the rear template, same thing. I'm going to show you the measurements that it goes through. 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle. The other angles just fall by the measurements. What this is going to render is these templates. This is a front template. It actually goes like that in the front. This is the part closer to you, right? So this would be the left template, the pilot's template. And the material I selected is like a texture material, similar to the material that goes on the kick protectors in the footwells. It is rugged on one side, which is the one that I'm going to leave exposed. It is shiny on the other one. I got it from Amazon. It's like ABS plastic, right? So I'm going to talk to you about how to cut it, how to measure it, how to produce it. Keep in mind, if you buy shiny and rugged material, right, you need to make sure that when you install them, you keep them mirror from each other, because, you know, one is right and one is left. And if you don't keep that in mind, you're going to produce 2 lefts or 2 rights. This one here is the rear panel, right? So this goes back in the cargo area right about there in the car. And same thing, they are mirrored to each other, right? So one left, one right, right? If you're gonna keep, again, shiny and opaque, you need to make sure that you keep the materials oriented on the right situation, or you're gonna end up with 2 lefts and 2 rights. Anyway, enjoy the series, enjoy the video. It's gonna be a few episodes, so I'm gonna label them all as they go. Please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram, like the video, leave me a comment, drop me a line. I'll be happy to return it to you. Thank you. Bye.